brand new. He's acting like they running shit they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gon' fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. Put so many racks, a bitch can't even see the floor. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pay, rich, get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that try to boat. Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Heard from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told him, meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Kiana back again with another video. Before we get started, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you are, welcome back. And also make sure you put your notifications on for every time I post a new video, you'll be notified. Now, as you can see by the title of the video, I am doing another hair install from Amazon. Yeah, I needed something quick and fast, so I ordered me a wig off of Amazon because it's been a minute. So the company, I can't pronounce it, but I'll put all the info on the screen right here so you guys can see. But it came in this lovely bag. In the bag, it came with the plastic that it came in. It came with a little goodie bag, and came with lashes for my lace, a lace band, and then a wig cap. Okay, so this here is a 13 by 6, It is 26 inches, and it's a highlight ombre honey blonde curly wig. Yeah, I didn't want a 13 by 6, but I didn't know after until I ordered it. I'm like, whatever, it is what it is. I like 13 by 4, but 13 by 6 I get a lot of headspace, a lot of room for parting and stuff. So I'm not gonna do too much talking. We're gonna get straight into the video, and stay tuned and keep watching.
I'm so cozy.
Something different because I struggle with my ear tabs. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just section it into 3, put the glue on, let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna cut my ear tabs out. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. And I'm running out of glue.
I'm so cozy.
I was on glue. I haven't worn a wig for a whole month. Yeah, so I didn't know that was low on this. So I'm not the boss of
So cozy. So cozy. So cozy.
recognize you. Please don't deny me.
I'm so cozy. I'm so cozy. I'm so cozy.
Cool. and recognize you. Please don't deny me.
So cozy.
Okay, y'all, this is the final look. It is so pretty. It dried pretty fast and it's so soft and no shedding, just probably by a little bit, but other than that, I like my little free parts or whatever. But I'm getting a little better at doing transparently, so this is the HD transparent. I'm getting a little better at doing it, but this is what it looked like. I want to show y'all. Yeah, but that's it, y'all. Okay, y'all, so y'all reached the end of my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. Sorry, my light, my LED light just died. But yeah, make sure I give this video a big thumbs up. And this hair is beautiful. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye, babies.